students, you did an amazing job working on this song with me. You listened to a song called Here Come Our Mothers, and you did something that a brilliant songwriter does. They write about something important happening in the world. So you had words and phrases like the vaccines and doctors helping and nurses bringing bandages. But you also talked about how when they did, it was not just an act of saving lives, it was an act of kindness. This is a brilliant song. You are great songwriters, and I hope you really like the song we worked on together. I'm calling it the Songs for Doctors and Nurses. So it goes like this. Here come the doctors to make us feel better. I see them helping with kindness inside of them. Thanks to the doctors, thanks to the nurses for bringing us medicine and saving our lives. We see the nurses helping all the patients with smiles, with bandages, kindness inside of them. Thanks to the doctors, thanks to the nurses for bringing the medicine, saving our lives. Now there can be health and there can be happiness. We walk out of darkness into the light. Thanks to the doctors, thanks to the nurses for bringing us medicine, for saving our lives. Now there can be health, there can be happiness. We walk out of darkness into the light. Thanks to the doctors, thanks to the nurses for bringing us medicine, for saving our lives. Bravo, songwriters.